The hooded vulture, Necrosyrtes monachus, is an Old World vulture in the order Accipitriformes, which also includes eagles, kites, buzzards, and hawks. It is native to sub-Saharan Africa, where it has a widespread distribution with populations in southern East and West Africa. It is a scruffy-looking, small vulture with dark brown plumage, a long thin bill, bare crown, face and foreneck, and a downy nape and hind neck. Its face is usually a light red color. It typically scavenges on carcasses of wildlife and domestic animals. The hooded vulture is a typical vulture, with a head that is usually pinkish-white, but flushes red when agitated, and a grey to black hood. It has fairly uniform dark brown body plumage. It has broad wings for soaring and short tail feathers. This is one of the smaller Old World vultures. They are 24 to 28 inches long, have a wingspan of 61 to 71 inches. Both sexes are alike in appearance, although females often have longer eyelashes than males. Juveniles look like adults and body feathers have a purplish sheen. Usually silent, but gives a shrill, sibilant whistle both at nests and carcasses. It breeds in a stick nest in trees, often palms, in much of Africa south of the Sahara, laying one egg. Birds may form loose colonies. Like other vultures, hooded vultures are scavengers, feeding mostly from carcasses of dead animals and waste which they find by soaring over savanna and around human habitation, including waste tips and abattoirs. They also feed on insects, and conglomerate in large numbers during insect emergencies. They are known to follow scavenging African wild dogs and hyenas. This vulture is typically unafraid of humans, and frequently gathers around habitation. It is sometimes referred to as their garbage collector by locals. Hooded vultures lay a clutch of one egg. Young are dependent on their parents for a further 3 to 4 months after fledging. The species has been uplisted from its previous IUCN status of endangered to critically endangered, since the species is going through a very steep decline in population, owing to various factors including poisoning, hunting, habitat loss and degradation of habitat. The hooded vulture and other bird of prey are protected in many West African and northeastern countries and in South Africa under the United Nations Convention on the Conservation of Migratory Species of Wild Animals, in the Memorandum of Understanding on the Conservation of Migratory Birds of Prey in Africa and Eurasia.